Yo, Fontana winds just blew the intersection lights off. Here goes another one. The lights ain't working. See it? Hey, this shit's been blowing hard. Yo, approaching another light that went out. Yo, real quick, look at these houses right here. 2024 houses. Yay. Let's go. Hey, yo, 60 eastbound, about past the Milligans. It's windy right here, so the direction of the wind going through here. Haven Avenue. All right, land right here in Pomona. Look at the trees. No gust of winds at all. About the Uras. Hey. That's why Fontana is known as the Windy City, because the Fontana winds blow through there. Pomona, look at that. Look at the winds right here. No winds. Yo, hit the like, comment, subscribe, buddy. Let's go. We're out here.